Right now I'm working on my PS3. Yes, there is some stuff on the table. The power supply. Um, on these transistors and the MOSFETs, I'm placed zero paste on those. I already placed zero paste on those, and I also cleaned the fan, and I replaced throne paste on the CPU and the GPU. It's the OG PlayStation 3 Fat, but the disk drive doesn't work because the disk spindle um, doesn't work. It still has its original 80 gigabyte hard drive. And this model is from March 2007. It's this CE C CHE01 model. So this PS3 uses software emulation for the PS2 and PS1 games. It can play PS1, PS2, PS3 games. This is a backwards compatible PS3. But the main issue is it doesn't read disc anymore, which is disappointing.